Good morning. It's day 2 of tree trimming. We got the big one cut down yesterday and then took down this guy in the evening like you saw, and I'm hurting in places I didn't know I hurt, so today's not going to be fun. But we got one more tree to work on. Not taking the whole thing down, just a few branches. It's this hackberry. I told you yesterday it was a locust. It's not a locust, it's a hackberry. But anyway, we got a couple of branches on that tree to take down, and then it's just cleanup. So hopefully everything goes smooth today. Of course, cleanup on that guy is gonna take a long time. I may not do that today. I don't know. Anyway, here we go. we had a problem. The wind came up today, and I apologize for the wind noise if it's not coming through very well, but the wind came up and we were just about done. We got one more branch to do. This guy right there, that big tall son of a gun. But we got everything else done here, and we even got everything picked up, so that's cool. Now we still have this crack. You know, it's attached to this guy, cracked all the way the heck down here. So I think we're gonna have to come back another day when it's not so windy and cut it down piece by piece by piece, and maybe cut it here. I don't know how far down we'll go. I'm not sure. I'm not a tree guy. We'll figure it out, I guess. Anyway, we got that all picked up. I still got a tree to cut up out there. We got a bunch of it picked up, but not all of it, obviously. But I think it's about time to end this video. It's been a day, almost 2 days, and I'm hurting, I'm sore, I'm wind burnt, I'm sunburnt, and I'm ready to call it quits. Thanks for stopping by and watching. I think this is going to be a long video. I got a lot of material to edit out. So, but if you liked it, hit the like button, share, subscribe, whatever, you know. So join us again. Thanks for stopping by.